how to fix half sword fatal error full guide. Now, if you're already in the game and you want to find some simple solutions, of course, the first thing you can go ahead and try and do is to lower blood and gore effects and graphic settings. So these effects can overload your VRAM and cause crashes. So you can just change this directly in the settings, which is in the graphics. You can turn it into low or off, depending on what you want or depending on what it could possibly take. You can get rid, oh, not get rid, but lower your frame rate or lower your graphics. Pretty much depends on you. But you can also decrease your resolution in game. The smaller your window, the smoother it should go. So that's pretty much all you can do in game. There are other options. We can go ahead to our VIA launch options to switch our DirectX 12 to DirectX 11. So to do this, we can go ahead back into our Steam VIA launch. You can go ahead and right click Half Sword Demo and choose the properties. Inside properties, we can go to its launch options over here. Advanced users may choose to enter modifications and just add this specific code. So depending on your GPU VRAM in MB, you're gonna have to go ahead and change this 4-digit X over here. So if you have an 8 GB GPU VRAM, you're gonna convert it into MB, which is 8000 MB, and you're gonna have to put it into those numbers, which is 8000. If you have like 6 GB or less, then turn it to that specific MB, so 6000. Pretty much depends on what you have. But other than that, there's also PC optimization. You can update GPU drivers, set Windows power plan to high performance, or display or disable other overlays to make your gadget focus on running Half Sword Demo. Anyways, those are ways you can potentially avoid getting this fatal error. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.